Hey there, my name is Jeff Foster, and I'm an occupational therapist and a national presenter with Learning Without Tears. And today we're going to talk about an activity that is geared more toward 3rd through 5th grade students. So today I have with me a guest. This is Brantley. This is one of my sons.
Hey guys.
And Brantley is going to help us with the activity, which is actually making a homemade pizza. So while we're in this pandemic and while we're quarantined with our families, we encourage you to spend time with your families, do activities, and have fun with that. And so nothing is more fun than making a homemade pizza. But in addition to that, we're going to sneak in a little bit of handwriting skills as we do that. So the easiest way to do that is to have the printed ingredients that we're going to choose to put on your pizza. So what I did here is I chose different words. I put this on, I'll have Brantley find that. So Brantley find that. So he was able to match the word to the word on the package, or even the actual item if you want to have that hands-on manipulative to match the word to the item. Also, we have the word in cursive. So Brantley find that word, find that item. So he was able to read cursive and find the word that is associated with that. So again, using that actual item is another great way of matching words to the item. For today, what we also did is I had him write the ingredients that he wanted on his pizza. And the way I chose to do that was a resource that you actually have available to you for free on lwtears.com. It's the A+ worksheet maker. So you can have the word printed in cursive or print, and then they can have that as a model to write over on the other side or underneath there. So you have that available to you for free on our website, but we're going to actually use it today. So we're going to look at Brantley using that to write his ingredients. All right, so as you see, Brantley had the model and was able to do that. You can, if your child is able to write without a model, encourage that, writing on a list. You can use sequencing and have them put the list in order of sequence of how you put it on the pizza if you choose to. And then from that point, let's make the pizzas. So as you see, Brantley was able to put his own sauce on, put his own cheese, put his own topping, so he has that sense of completion, but he also that creativity and that sense of accomplishing making his own pizza. But we also were able to use those handwriting skills to be able to pick his ingredients and work on that as well. Feel free to take this activity and expand on that. Don't stop at pizza. Use that, make your own sandwiches, pick the ingredients that you want in your sandwich. Or how about making dessert? Let's pick some ice cream and pick the toppings. What do you think about that?
That would be good.
So have fun with it. Have fun. Enjoy the time with your family. Make pizza and have ice cream afterward. And thank you guys so much for joining us today, and you stay safe out there.